How to start in cryptocurrencies and begin investing. How to start in cryptocurrencies. A beginner's guide to investing. Welcome to CryptoMax. I'm Max, and today I'm going to teach you how to take your first steps into the exciting world of cryptocurrencies. Whether you've heard of Bitcoin, Ethereum, or NFTs and want to know where to start, this guide is perfect for you. By the end of this video, you'll understand how to get started with crypto and how to make smart, safe investments in this growing space. Let's dive in. Step 1. Understand what cryptocurrencies are. Before jumping in, let's start with the basics. What is a cryptocurrency? Cryptocurrencies are digital or virtual currencies that use cryptography to secure transactions. Unlike traditional money issued by governments, cryptocurrencies are decentralized, meaning they operate on blockchain technology without the need for a central authority. The most famous example is Bitcoin, created in 2009 by an anonymous person or group called Satoshi Nakamoto. Since then, thousands of other cryptocurrencies have been created, each with unique features and purposes, like Ethereum, Solana, and Cardano. If that sounds overwhelming, don't worry, we'll break it all down step by step. Step 2. Know the risks and benefits of crypto investing. Now, let's talk about why people are so excited about crypto, and why you need to approach it with caution. Benefits. 1. High potential returns. Some coins, like Bitcoin and Ethereum, have seen massive growth over the years. 2. Decentralization. Crypto offers financial independence. 2. No banks, no intermediaries, your money is truly yours. 3. Innovation. Blockchain technology is driving change in industries like finance, gaming, and art. Risks. 1. Volatility. Prices can swing dramatically in a single day. 2. Security risks. If you lose your private key, your funds are gone forever. 3. Regulation uncertainty. Governments around the world are still figuring out how to regulate crypto. Investing in crypto can be exciting, but always remember, don't invest more than you're willing to lose. Step 3. Choose the right cryptocurrency. Not all cryptocurrencies are created equal. There are thousands to choose from, but as a beginner, it's best to stick with well-known and trusted options like 1. Bitcoin, BTC, the first and most widely used cryptocurrency. 2. Ethereum, ETH, known for its smart contract functionality. 3. Binance Coin, BNB, tied to the Binance exchange, offering various utilities. Research the coins you're interested in. Look at their use case, adoption rate, and the team behind the project. A great resource for this is CoinMarketCap, where you can find rankings, prices, and detailed information about each cryptocurrency. Drop a comment below and let me know which cryptocurrency you're most curious about. Step 4. Choose a crypto exchange. To buy crypto, you'll need to use a cryptocurrency exchange. These are platforms where you can buy, sell, and trade digital assets. Popular beginner-friendly exchanges include 1. Coinbase. Easy to use, especially for beginners. 2. Binance. Great for lower fees and a wide variety of coins. 3. Kraken. Known for its robust security features. When choosing an exchange, look for 1. Low fees. 2. Supported cryptocurrencies. 3. Security features like two-factor authentication. 4. User interface. Some are easier to use than others. Step 5. Set up a wallet. Once you've bought your crypto, you'll need a safe place to store it. This is where wallets come in. There are two main types of wallets. 1. Hot wallets, online, connected to the internet. 1. Examples include Coinbase Wallet or Trust Wallet. 1. These are convenient but vulnerable to hacking. 2. Cold wallets, offline, like hardware wallets such as Ledger or Trezor. 2. These are the safest option for storing large amounts of crypto. For beginners, I recommend starting with a hot wallet and moving to a cold wallet once you've built up more assets. I'll link a video at the end where I go into more detail about wallets. Be sure to check it out. Step 6. Learn how to invest wisely. Now that you've got your wallet and an exchange account, it's time to invest. Here are a few strategies to consider. 1. Dollar cost averaging, DCA. Invest a fixed amount regularly, regardless of the price. 1. This helps reduce the impact of volatility. 2. Hodling. This means buying and holding for the long term, ignoring short-term price fluctuations. 3. Diversify. Don't put all your money into one coin. 3. Spread your investments across multiple cryptocurrencies. And remember, always do your own research, DYOR. Don't blindly follow hype or trends. Step 7. Stay informed. The crypto world moves fast. To stay ahead, you'll need to keep up with the latest news and trends. Here's how. 1. Follow trusted news sites like CoinDesk or Cointelegraph. 2. Join communities on Reddit or Discord. 3. Subscribe to channels like CryptoMax for regular updates and tips. Knowledge is your best tool in this space. Step 8. Start small and stay safe. Finally, start small. Your first investment doesn't have to be thousands of dollars. Start with what you're comfortable losing and grow as you learn. Also, be cautious of scams. Never share your private keys, avoid suspicious links, and double-check addresses before sending crypto. If it sounds too good to be true, it probably is. And that's it. You're ready to take your first steps into the world of crypto. If you found this guide helpful, make sure to like this video and subscribe to CryptoMax for more beginner tips, market updates, and investing strategies. Want to know more about wallets or how to pick the best crypto projects? Let me know if you'd like to refine any part.